Hi, Sterling Ball here, also known as Big Poppa, Big Poppa Smokers. Big Poppa Smokers started as a labor of love that was really an extension of my lifelong love affair with cooking. And I bought my son a smoker, and I realized since there was no direct heat, that I could teach anybody to cook as long as they knew what temperature the pit should be and what temperature the meat should be when it's done. And that started Big Poppa Smokers. I wasn't going to compete. And then the employees that were helping me assemble smokers and all that started a team, and I ended up staying. They quit one at a time. But it's now 15 years that we're in the California Hall of Fame. We just are very fortunate and honored to be inducted into the Kansas City Barbecue Hall of Fame. And we've also already been in the California Hall of Fame. 34% of the contests we entered, we came in first or second, Grand Reserve. And I got to tell you something, there's a lot of trends over 15 years. There's sauces, there's rubs, there's cookers, there's people on the team. And I got to tell you, in looking back at 15 years, because it's our anniversary, there's one constant. Thermapen. If there's one question you hear at barbecue contests with guys that have more than one team, where's the Thermapen? Because there's really nothing that's more reliable, nothing that is as accurate. It also can be calibrated. I think this gets a part of the Hall of Fame and a lot of our success because we were able to trust Thermapen. Okay, now I'm very happy to be showing a couple new products to you guys. I got their beautiful non-stick spatulas, 3 of them. Basting brushes. I love the 3 sizes of basting brushes. They're fabulous. But what I'm really excited about is my latest tool. Now, a lot of you know that I do a lot of rotisserie cooking. I love rotisserie cooking. I love fixed thermometers. I've had chef alarms and dots. We've used smoke. We use all kinds and still do, will always do. But I'm very excited to get the new RFX. Okay, the RFX, I think, is without a doubt the new platinum standard in barbecue. Got 4 probes, charge it, and this will hold its range. I mean, it has actual real range that you can count on. The RFX probe goes to the Thermapen cloud and then to your phone. There's no losing connection, dropping connection. You know what it is. I've used other wireless thermometers and one time and they're in the landfill. So I'm very excited about this, not just for rotisserie, but for all my cooking. So I'll be doing a lot of content with this RFX, and you should check it out, thermapen.com.